Grilling some flank steak tonight, and I want to make a no recipe marinade. I have a bunch of spices, some brown sugar, olive oil, tamari, lemon juice, fresh garlic. I think it's gonna be good. It's gonna be salty and savory and sweet and a little spicy. Good amount of olive oil. Grate in some garlic. This is my favorite hack, where I take a microplane and a garlic clove and I just kind of grate it in. A little basil, a few shakes of dried oregano. This is like the ketchup of spices for me. It's paprika. Put it in everything. This is smoked paprika, and I think it will give it a really nice color and smoky, sweet flavor. Red pepper flakes, and tamari, or you can do soy sauce. A little brown sugar because we want a little sweetness. Tablespoon. I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Any protein that I am marinating or seasoning with, I always pat it dry with some paper towels. Protein has moisture, and if you add seasoning to it, it's just gonna slide off. Now I'll whisk this up. Oh, yum. Let this marinate for an hour or two, turn it every so often, and I'll show you what it looks like on the grill. Look at how pretty this is. Okay, serve this alongside our grilled steak. Wow. The steak has rested after it was grilled. Cut it against the grain. You look at meat, you have a nice grain, and we want to cut against it. Oh yeah, ooh, that looks absolutely perfect. Beautiful chimichurri right on top. Dinner is ready. How good does that look?